Crypto.com versus Coinbase, two of the major exchanges on planet Earth right now, and there's a lot of news to cover on both of them. You might think that Coinbase has an overall advantage on Crypto.com, which to some extent could be true in several different facets. One, Coinbase has been around for much longer. Two, they have a lot of sway in Washington, D.C. in getting pulled into meetings with the president and other leaders in Washington, members of Congress and the Senate, to try to get a proper crypto regulatory framework in place for the future of this industry. We've also seen a lot of successes, however, out of Crypto.com with acquiring different licenses across the globe, seemingly much faster than other institutions, specifically crypto institutions, which could give them a huge advantage when a bull market comes and excitement is starting to swirl around crypto again. When new users are coming, which exchange will they use? We're going to explore this a little bit in this video, guys, because there's a specific story that came out about Coinbase today, which was very good news for that exchange, but Coinbase actually beat them to the punch. And I'm going to show you just one example of why I'm so excited for the future of Crypto.com and them potentially being an even bigger competitor to players like Coinbase and Binance. If you like this kind of content, tap that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto content if you want to stay in the loop with all things crypto. And let's get right in. So back in June of 2022, Crypto.com received in principle approval from the Monetary Authority of Singapore. They got a major payment institution license. This is in June of 2022. This was a very big move for them, and they have a really big growth goal of getting to the first platform to bring the next billion users into crypto. This license was a good move in the right direction, and we've seen other moves from them in the past in regards to acquiring exchanges to get CFTC products and a variety of other licenses they've gotten in a variety of other countries. But again, note the date here, June of 2022. Well, today, breaking news for for Coinbase, they obtained a major payment institution license from where? Singapore. And so, in other words, you can see right here, this is October 1st of 2023. This is it is over a year later, almost a year and a half later, Coinbase gets this major license in Singapore. What does this mean? It means that Crypto.com beat Coinbase to the punch here. Now, Crypto Kip, don't get too excited. You know, Coinbase is still much bigger. I get it, absolutely. Coinbase is still much bigger. But when Crypto.com comes out with their retail trading exchange, the actual exchange, an international exchange product, instead of just this app, that's going to help them find more users as well. Coinbase already has it. They have the advantage there. There's a lot of things to look forward for Crypto.com, but there's also a lot of things that we have to acknowledge that Crypto.com has been very successful at. And this license, specifically beating Coinbase to the punch in Singapore, is a big deal, guys. This is going to be a big focus for Coinbase. You can even see, this development is coming just after their initial principal approval amplifies our commitment to the Singapore market, enabling us to expand our provision of digital payment token services to both individuals and institutions in Singapore. They want to get into this market. Coinbase already beat them, or Crypto.com already beat Coinbase there, which is pretty spectacular. Now, Coinbase stock really ain't, Crypto.com's token price really isn't complying with the excitement that I'm telling you guys here about with Crypto.com, because Coinbase is frankly doing well, and so is Crypto.com, but there is a bear market that we're currently in, and this bearish trend we have is mostly going to affect altcoins. So this is why when you look at the CRO versus Bitcoin price as well, you can see Crypto.com CRO is still coming down quite a bit, and it might have even further to fall, possibly 25% or so. But as we get ready for a bull market and Bitcoin starts to heat up, and we are in the month of October, it looks like things want to heat up right now. We just had a very big week to end September, and now we had a big boost up. Bitcoin was earlier today above $28,000. As this starts to move up, I do believe that more crypto exchanges will be bringing on more users, and I do believe that the crypto exchange that has the most licensing, the best marketing, is going to position themselves to bring the most users to the platform, and I think that company overall is going to perform better than others. If you are a better performer in marketing and in user growth, then you're going to probably have your stock or your coin in Crypto.com case, grow much bigger than some of the other competitors out there. Now, I do believe that Coinbase is going to be extremely bullish in the next bull market. I think that Coinbase stock might even outperform Crow for all I know, because you look at the fact that Coinbase owns 5% of all the Bitcoin in existence. But what I want to make you aware of is that Coinbase, though it's one of the biggest, is going to have competitors. And if cryptocom can position themselves to be up there with Coinbase and Binance, then the CRO token is absolutely going to explode in the next bull market. This one story in particular about this major payment license in Singapore is a great example of why I am so bullish on crypto.com and why I'm so excited to see the next moves that they have in the future. It seems like they're beating a lot of folks to the punch, which is exactly what you want to do when you're competing for the top spot when it comes to battling for market dominance as a crypto exchange. Guys, that's all I got for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content like this. And as always, you got a DCA hodl, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.